shit.
When he hears the fire bell chime, Fireman Sam is there on time.
In a field above Pontypandy, on a day, Sarah and James are picking food for Bell End.
Oh, it's hard work, this.
Girls, 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 girls.
Just 'cause you know Bell End will give you some ice cream, greedy.
Yep. Who's in that field over there, Sam?
Oh, that's Sarah and James. Well, let's have a think. Bye, Uncle Sam. Bye, Uncle Sam.
Dilly's Price and Bell End are busy preparing for the day's business.
Blooming nuisance this time. It do show up the dust something awful. I only polished Norman's last week. I know, Mrs. Surprise. Is it the ozone, you know? Mom.
Dead!
Firefighter Elvis Cridlington is cooking up another cock. What's going on, Cridlington? Smells like a second-hand arse shop. No, sir. It's a curry.
Oh, I've had enough. I'm off to Wilco.
Look. It's snowing. I suppose it's Italian. Il televisione. It's Japanese. Norman. Mamma mia! Oh shit! The terrace exploded! It's on fire! I thought it was too naughty to work properly.
All present and correct, sir. Right, let's go. Oh, sprockets.
Should have had you well steady.
When he hears the fire bell chime,
Where's Evans?
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, oh, my ass.
Oh.
Oh. Someone might be here, Jam.
Oh, geez. Oh, a bite. I do believe I got a bite. Son. Oh, drat. That's not a good, that is. I like cock. I like pot. I like cock. Oh, cock. It's more like TikTok, Elvis boy. Oh, look. A postcard from Rimini from Dilly's Price. Dear train fuckage reported in the vicinity of Mrs. Price.
Wilco.
Roger, WP, and out.
Looks like you're in for the real thing, Trev. Yeah, quite a fucking this.
Oh! Yes, it's terrible. I'll see you later.